Good morning to all. And we our team, we our team has decided to take the debate on self-study versus group study. And myself, I am Asnavin, holding the registration number 25KD1804K9.
My registration number 25KD1804K7.
My number is 25KD180K8.
My registration number is 25KD18004K6.
Now we'll start.
Like in my opinion, individual study is far better than the group study.
So we are doing debate on self-instruction and group study. Study and group study.
Which one do you support according to your perspective?
I will support group study because in group study we all are friends and study each other and clarify our doubts.
Group studies is too much of time is waste, and some problems are faced.
Group studies are better than solo study.
But in my opinion, in the group studies, where your friends will intervene you and make you to divert. But in the solo study, you can learn something by your own research.
But in group study, we can learn with our friends and we can learn new topics also.
Like in the group studies, you make to learn from what your friends will tell. Like I will tell you, like I will only tell you the part that I would know. But in the solo study, you will research for the things that you have known. Like so you will gain a depth of knowledge.
But in solo study, you have a doubt, but you need to ask a teacher. Then what you do?
That is what I meant. If I got a doubt, I would make a deep research so that I could gain more knowledge according to that.
That is time wasting process. Our friend are telling now this is this problem, this is so many solutions are there.
But individual studies is very time safe and individual studies.
What? In group study, we can, if any work is given to us, we can talk and learn, and we can complete the work. It is like a teamwork. What about solo study?
But who know your friend teaches you correctly or wrong? Like if he has some grudge on you, he will definitely do not tell you the correct answer. So it would make you take a diversion.
Too much of time is waste.
But in solo study, we can't motivate. If you do a work, then you will use mobile phone for
Other activities.
Other activities. You can also use the phone.
In group discussion, so many other activities and so many time wastages. Other activities in group discussions, so much of other activities in group discussion.
Group is so helpful for because your any problem or any happen, what's your laziness or can't motivate the others.
Like in the group discussion, you would have to follow the pace of your friends. But in solo discussion, like you should have your own pace of learning. Like if you're a fast learner, you can go on the things very fastly.
By conclude that both group discussion and solo discussion, sorry. By conclude that in group study and solo study are the same advantages here. We can learn new things and new topics with our friends and using our teachers also. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Jahnavi from ECE-D, and my bearing roll number is 4L5.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Susharani, and my roll number is 4L2.
I am Divya. My roll number is 4L1.
I am Tanuja. My roll number is L4.
This is Preeti Satyavarapu. I'm bearing roll number 25KD 180
This is S. Ramu. My roll number is 4L6.
So, friends, today we are going to talk about a really good topic which is needed for every of the students, that is impact of emotions on our career. So, we have lot of emotions. For today we are going to take only two emotions, that is positive emotion and negative emotion.
Okay.
What do you think, Ramu?
Yeah, we have so many emotions, but we will also maintain only positive emotions due to our
Yes,
career
Ramu.
guidelines.
The emotions can hinder or help for our career growth, but you said that positive emotions can help for our career growth.
Yes, Usha. I facing some situation in classrooms. My son asked me any questions. I control my emotions because I don't know that about the answer. But I can definitely give good solution that problem. I can improve my emotions with.
Yes, I want to add one point for that. Positive emotions may also impact on career because they helpful for everyone to build career because positive thinking may impact for consider a employee.
Yes.
I agree the point of green thinking because suppose we have an exam tomorrow, so we are stressed out, we are burned out, and if you have a positive thinking, like positive emotion, okay, I can do that, like without a calm way, so we can do that. So if we go into negative, we cannot. Our mind will be burst out, and we cannot write exam also properly.
And also, when we emotions are balanced, we think clearly in our decision, and this is the right path to choose our goal to
Yes,
achieve.
I agree with your point, Tanuja. My brother also faced this problem because of his negative emotions on his low marks on the intermediate. He got depressed by I told him to get not into the emotions like
Question of
that.
this point, I can face also same this situation in my intermediate results. I feel shy and I feel without out of box in my thoughts because what happened, what my result. I think I definitely gain my full marks.
Absolutely, we have to balance our emotions, and we shouldn't let them others know what we are thinking. We
Yes.
even should not get angry, or even should we not get sad. Just do not show emotions to others. Carry on your own and balance your emotions. That's what I'm going to say.
Yes, Jahnavi, I understand your point. So we have to balance our emotions and we go through the positive emotions. Then we have to growth in our career opportunities and in so many ways we have the positive energy.
I addition of your point. First of all, you maintain your emotions first of all, and you can see any depressions, any hesitations. You can see your parents. Then only your emotions control and your emotions on your hand.
Do you
Not
want to add
yes.
any point?
Not only our emotions, we also respect other emotions. That gives a give respect.
So, as from this, we are going to conclude that emotions should be get balanced, not only showing all the emotions towards one person or carrying it alone. We shouldn't do that. Thank you.
Thank you. ఇప్పుడు ఆడియో వీడియో ఆఫ్ చేయండి. సైడ్
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for giving this opportunity to introduce myself. At first of all, my name is Swati. I'm currently studying BTech first year in Electronics and Communication Engineering in Lendi Institute of Engineering and Technology. I'm a passionate and hardworking student who always likes new things and improve myself. My um, my strengths are positive attitude, dedication, determination, and accept challenges. As a BTech student, I focus on developing both technical and communication skills. I actively participated in jam practice, jam practices, and group presentations, debates, and also to improve my communication skills and confidence. My goal is to become a successful in field. Thank you. Oh,
Hi everyone, my name is Tad Balram. In I am ECE-D section. My topic bearing my roll number is 25KD 1A04LI. I would like to speak about radio. Nowadays, radio is uh, most uses and oldest communication. It is all of used to listen news and educational programs and crickets and entertaining also. It is so much of used to uh, so much used to where any issue can issue it. Nowadays, the FM radios are not using people. The using is decreasing. FM radio is no, it can no, not required internet, and thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Yamini Priya from ECE-D section. My roll number is 25KD1A04L9. Today I want to talk about green technology. Green technology is a method or a process that saves the environment. The main examples of green technology are wind turbines, solar energy, etc. Solar panels. We all know what is a solar energy. As we know, solar energy is present everywhere, so it is free to use. By using the technology, engineers develop solar panels. Solar panels, it absorbs the sun rays from the sun and it converts electrical energy. And hydropower plant. As we know, 70% of the water around the earth is completely filled with it. So we can use the water in very correct way by using hydropower plants. Next, um, electric vehicles. Electric vehicles. Electric vehicles, these are very common nowadays. So many of the people are using electric vehicles. Electric vehicles, they convert electricity into mechanical energy, so it can work. Finally, I want to tell use electrical vehicles, solar energy, and renewable resources. that helps to reduce the carbon dioxide percentage and carbon emission in the atmosphere. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Kathy from ECE-D, bearing with my roll number 4M2. Today I'm talking about nature. Nature is the most beautiful thing and a valuable gift we have ever received. It includes plants, trees, forests, animals, birds, etc. Nature provides us everything necessary for our life. Whenever we spend time with nature, we feel relaxed, happy, and peaceful. Nature uh, Nowadays, however, due to pollution, nature is uh, nature is polluting, and for deforestation, um, due to deforestation, pollution, nowadays nature is destroying, and the major concerns of polluting the nature is climate change, global warming, etc. So, therefore, we have to protect our nature. It is our responsibility to protect our nature and preserve our nature. Nature is not just a resource, and it is a future life itself. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Hilmi, and my roll number is 4M3. Today, I am going to talk about English Lab internal examination. English Lab plays an important role to develop our communication skills, vocabulary, and our pronunciation and extra words to learn and to speak in companies. And English examination is for to know our progress. Progress. And in English examination, internal examination, we will do various activities like exam sessions, debates, and presentations. And these activities help us in a professional way in our future also. So English lab internal examination is a valuable experience for our overall professional development. Thank you.